Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss model paper 1, a neat newly changed pattern. Question number 151. Which of the following electronic configuration does not belong to same like others? Achha, for your kind information, first one, second one, the differentiating electron, the outer electron, the last electron enter into s orbital is called s subshell is called s block element. That means first three options are s block element, and this option is a d block element, because differentiating electron enter into d subshell. This is an example electronic configuration for iron, which is a d block element. So does not belong to same block as others means fourth option. So 151 answer is 4. 152. The reactions of heavy water are slow. The reason is because of high bond energy of DO bond. High bond energy of DO bond. Achha, we know hydrolysis reaction, deuterolysis reactions. Deuterolysis reactions are very slow when compared to hydrolysis reaction because high bond energy of DO bond is more when compared to HO bond. But heavy water is lower mass is incorrect because compared to water, heavy water is more mass. Chalo. Next question number 153. 153. On the basis of the molecular orbital theory, which molecule does not exist? Achha, according to MOT theory, bond order 0, bond order negative cannot exist in nature only. Achha, for your kind of information, bond order is a bond order 0 or bond order negative cannot exist. So, for example, helium molecule ke liye bond order 0 only. Achha, this similar kind of questions are asked in NEET 2020 examination also. Which of the following molecule cannot exist? Like helium molecule cannot exist because whose bond order is equal to 0 only. 0 bond order, negative bond order cannot exist in nature only. So next question number 154. Incorrect order is incorrect order. Dekho, 1A group element bicarbonates, carbonates, oxides, hydroxide, top to bottom solubility increases. First option correct only. Second option, stability also top to bottom increases in case of 1A group elements. Third option देखो, third option में in alkaline earth metal में only oxides, hydroxides solubility increases from top to bottom. ये देखो, alkaline second A group elements हैं only oxide, hydroxide solubility top to bottom increases. Remaining large size anions like oxalate ion, sulfate ion, phosphate ion, halide ions, any ions are given, its solubility top to bottom decreases only. But given यहाँ देखो, given beryllium sulfate is less soluble, which is incorrect only. For a kind of information, barium sulfate is a PPT only. Beryllium sulfate is more soluble only. So except oxides, hydroxide, remaining all second A group element like carbonates also, sulfates also, oxalate also, halides also, top to bottom solubility decreases only. But the stability order top to bottom increases only because lattice energy increases, stability order also increases only. Chalo next. Question number 155. Which of the following property are not correctly matched? Achha, basic strength. Any group hai, top to bottom basic strength of oxide increases hai, but same group hai, but given basic strength decreases only. Achha, basic strength decreases only, which is incorrect hai. Achha, more basic strength cesium hydroxide. So suppose I am writing this is incorrect hai, just I can put incorrect order. Thermostability peroxides hai, oxides hai, superoxides hai, top to bottom increases only. Second option correct only. Solubility in water hai. Solubility in water in case of 1A group elements top to bottom increases only. That is also correct only. Lattice energy. Actually, lattice energy for a kind of information is also incorrect hai, because lattice energy is directly proportional to Z plus Z minus inversely proportional to RC plus RA whole square. Either small size of the cation anion, more will be the lattice energy only. More will be the lattice energy only. So A and D are incorrect matching is given. Correct nothing. Matlab given option में which are incorrectly matched is A and D are incorrectly matched. First option A and D are incorrectly matched. Now 156. On increasing the concentration of the solution, blue color of the solution converts into branch. For your kind of information, alkali metal dissolved in ammonia, alkali metal ammonia solution which are blue color. Matlab concentration of ammonia greater than 3 molar, clusters formation of metal ions are taking place. Because of cluster formation of metal ion, it is a bronze color only. Otherwise, less than 3 molar concentration, it is a blue color. Alkali metal dissolved in ammonia. Very important question hai. Previously so many times asked in APMD examination and NEET examination also. Question number 156 hai. अच्छा क्वेश्चन नंबर 157 देख लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 157 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 157 देख लीजिए. Symmetrical iron bonding is not a region of. Symmetrical iron bonding is not a region of. अच्छा deliquescent nature of NaOH. Deliquescent nature of NaOH. There is no question of iron bonding only. अच्छा there is no question of iron bonding only here. अच्छा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ HF2 आप देख लीजिए. देखो अच्छा देखो KHF2 हाउ कैन राइट K plus HF2 minus है. F minus HF के बीच में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. दिस इज स्टेबल बिकॉज़ ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग ओनली. It exists only because KHCl2 KHI2 cannot exist. Br2 cannot exist only. अच्छा क्लोरल हाइड्रेट है. क्लोरल हाइड्रेट में देखो सिमेट्रिकल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है बट इट इज इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का एग्जांपल भी है. इट इज मोस्ट स्टेबल है. अच्छा कंफर्मेंट टेस्ट पर निकल आयन है. निकल आयन व्हेन रिएक्ट टू डाइमेथाइल ग्लाइकोजेन वाइन रेड कलर PPT is observed. Confirmation test पर निकल आयन से. अच्छा previously NEET examination also this question asked. This is square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. This is stabilized by hydrogen bonding also. Though I have two hydrogen bonding also possibility there. So this previous class question red PPT means cherry red PPT or called cherry red or wine red whatever may be. This is red PPT only. So these are the question is last three option में hydrogen bonding है. First option में there is no hydrogen bonding है. चलो next. Next question number 158. 158 देखो. Which of the following is molecule is a solid है. Molecular solid है. अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल सिली है देख लीजिए. सिलिकॉन कार्बाइड है, ZnS है, डायमंड है, ग्राफाइट है. ऑल दीज आर एग्जांपल फॉर कोवेलेंट है. Three dimensional network solids are called covalent solids. These are covalent solids. But this is only molecular solid. Fullerenes, we know C60, C70 fullerenes are example for molecular solids के लिए. चलो next. अच्छा both temporary and permanent hardness removed on the boiling water. अच्छा odd man out. You can eliminate odd man out है. अच्छा देखो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के लिए क्या है? क्लार्क्स मेथड है. Only temporary है. This is only temporary है. अच्छा कैल्शियम लाइम also temporary है. अच्छा ये नहीं यूज कर सकता है मैं. Odd man out है. You can go for Na2CO3 is used for both removal of temporary oddness. That's why Na2CO3 what we call as water softener बोलता है. It is called water softener है सोडियम कार्बोनेट को. So चलो next. अच्छा क्वेश्चन नंबर 156 देखो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 160 देखो. Which of the following pair Newland active rule is not applicable है. Not applicable है. अच्छा Newland active rule is applicable to only up to atomic number 20 है. अच्छा लिथियम सोडियम ये applicable है. कार्बन सिलिकॉन is applicable है. मैग्नीशियम कैल्शियम is applicable है. क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन is not applicable है because ब्रोमीन atomic number 35 है. Newland active is applicable to only atomic number 20. Lighter elements के लिए applicable है. That's why answer is fourth है. Which for each of the pair Newland active rule is not applicable means fourth option is not applicable. Which of the following oxide is acidic oxide है. For your kind information, top to bottom oxides में top to bottom acidic nature decreases, left to right acidic nature increases only. अच्छा boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, these are same group है. Same group में top to bottom basic character increases, acidic nature decreases only. अच्छा this is acidic character है. Alumina is amphoteric in nature है. अच्छा amphoteric है, gallium, indium, top to bottom basic nature increases, acidic nature decreases only. Very simple method. अच्छा देखो which of the following statement is correct है. Element having high IP have high electron affinity also. I think in fact this is not correct for all cases only. For example, helium is having highest IP value, but electron affinity for helium practically zero only. Because more stable, completely filled, half filled orbitals, electronic configuration orbitals are extra stability only. But those orbitals we are going to add an electron very difficult only. That means first option is incorrect only. अच्छा, second IP of noble gas is less than their first IP. देखो, second IP of noble gas is less than their first IP, no doubt. अच्छा, successive IP values for any element is a greater only. Always IP2. For your kind of information, this is not correct, because for every element IP2 is greater than IP1 only. For every element. For every element, IP2 is greater than IP1 only. Don't go for assumption in second IP. अच्छा, sir, first IP में removal होना is very difficult. Yes, but still somewhere extra energy is required for in order to remove the second electron only. So successive IP value is always greater than initial IP values only. IP of beryllium is more than B. Yes, this is correct only. Because of we discussed so many times we discussed like beryllium, boron, like lithium. For your kind of information, IP periodic trend top to left to right increase होना चाहिए. But lithium is less, but beryllium is greater than boron. Reason is this is completely filled electronic configuration. This is 2s2 2p1. Beryllium के लिए completely filled. So that's why IP of beryllium is more than boron is correct only. Second IP of nitrogen is more than that of second IP of oxygen. Incorrect. First IP is given, that is correct only. First IP of N nitrogen is greater than OP only, but second IP of N is less than that of, because second IP में oxygen का off electron configuration, very difficult to remove the electron only. So given statement में which is correct option is third option only correct है. IP of beryllium is more than that of boron is correct only. Next, 163. In which one of the following species the central atom has type of hybridization which is not the same as that present in the other three? अच्छा देखो, obviously ये वाला है, because reason this is sp3 dehybridization है. अच्छा, this is also sp3 dehybridization है, this is also sp3 dehybridization है. but ये देखो 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14 by 2, this is sp3 d3 hybridization, just like xenon hexafluoride sp3 dehybridization. odd man out है, very simple you have to identify. अच्छा देखो, wrong statement है. What is the wrong statement according to H2O2? Wrong statement क्या है according to H2O2? Wrong statement है. It acting as a both oxidizing and reducing, correct only. We studied in H2O2 oxidizing properties, reducing property also, because oxidation state of oxygen in peroxide is -1. Here -1 oxidation state is. It may decrease up to -2. It may increase up to 0. That's why both are possible, oxidizing as well as reducing character. Both OH are the same plane. No, both OH are not same plane only, different plane only. This is which are incorrect only. It is incorrect only because in open book structure na. These are two different planes mein hai, not in same plane hai, which is incorrect only. It is a pale blue color liquid hai because the presence of some impurities hai. Actually, it get oxidized by O3. Yes, O3 is strong oxidizing agent when compared to H2O2. So O3 oxidizes into H2O and the water molecule. So these are all possibility there, which is incorrect. Both OH are in same plane, which is incorrect only. Which are incorrect only. Achha, now 165. Which of the following molecular orbital have two nodal planes? Which of the following? Achha, sigma bond having no nodal plane hai. Achha, ये zero nodal plane hai. ये zero nodal plane hai. Sigma star is one nodal plane hai. Pi is also one nodal plane hai. Pi star is two nodal planes. Very simple one. Sigma bonding is no nodal plane hai. Star is given one nodal plane hai. Pi bonding के लिए एक nodal plane है. Pi star bonding के लिए two nodal plane है. Which of the following molecular orbital having two nodal planes? Absolutely, pi star is a two nodal planes. Pi star is a two nodal planes. Hello, question number 166 है. Which order is the correct order है? Correct order है. अच्छा, first one is incorrect ना, because in a period left to right acidic nature of oxide increases only. B2O3, CO2, N2O3. N2O5 is the more acidic, which is incorrect. अच्छा, basic nature है. Basic nature left to right decreases, top to bottom increases only. अच्छा, given beryllium oxide is more basic than magnesium, which is incorrect, because beryllium बेरिलियम मैग्नीशियम सेम ग्रुप में ना, टॉप टू बॉटम बेसिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज, दैट्स व्हाई व्हिच इज इनकरेक्ट ओनली, व्हिच इज इनकरेक्ट ओनली. अच्छा देखो कैल्शियम, जिंक एंड पोटेशियम, which is also incorrect only because K2O is more basic when compared to CaO when compared to ZnO. ZnO is amphoteric only. SnO2 ZnO amphoteric only. K2 is a basic, which is incorrect only. अच्छा correct क्या है? CO2. CO non-metal oxide is acidic है. Then B2O3 also acidic है, but Al2O3 is amphoteric है. So among the given option 166 is the correct option only. So that is the fluoride which is most soluble in water is beryllium because being very small size. Being very small size, slightly covalent character also there in case of fluorine. So the answer is beryllium fluoride. Fluoride which is the most soluble in water, being very small size, slightly covalent character only hota hai. So the fluoride which is the most soluble in water is beryllium fluoride only. अच्छा देखो 168. Thermal decomposition of which of the following compound yield basic as well as acidic oxide simultaneously. अच्छा देखो थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन में क्या होता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन गिव्स कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड CO2, which gives acidic oxide and basic oxide. Acidic oxide and basic oxide ना, this is correct only thermal decomposition. अच्छा यहाँ सपोज क्या बनेगा? KCl plus O2. No one is acidic and no one is a basic. अच्छा ammonium nitrate this is N2O is a neutral only. Is a neutral only. अच्छा देखो NaNO2 plus H2O. The only the option is the fourth option. It gives one basic oxide, one acidic oxide only. चलो, which given order of the boiling point is wrong only. अच्छा for your kind of information, HF is greater than HI, HBr, HCl. This is correct only, first option only. Because HF में hydrogen bonding है, hydrogen bonding is stronger than van der Waals forces है. So first option given is boiling point correct only. Second option. अच्छा second option also correct only because you know hydrogen bonding we discussed all this 15 group hydrates है, 16 group hydrates है, and 17 group hydrates है. That is also correct only. अच्छा this is H2O, H2TE, H2SE. This is also correct only because hydrogen bonding is there. This is a exceptional case in 17th, 15th, 16th group है. अच्छा which is incorrect? This is incorrect only. Boiling point top to bottom increase होना चाहिए because CH4 में दो there is no hydrogen bonding only. The incorrect wrong statement is the fourth option. The remaining three are exceptional cases. Sir, you studied in 15th group hydrates, 17th group element hydrates, 16th group element hydrates. Right. Dipole interaction exists between which of the following pair? Dipole means both are non-polar है. Dipole का मतलब both are non-polar है. Both are non-polar है. बोथ आर नॉन पोलर है. अच्छा देखो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में एक पोलर है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल पोलर है, ऑड में नॉट लिमिट. सेकंड ऑप्शन में इथेनॉल अल्कोहल है, समहाउ पोलर नेचर इज देयर. लेकिन डाइपोल मोमेंट नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0, बट बेंजीन के लिए दिस इज देखो ये वाला बोथ आर नॉन पोलर है. बेंजीन एंड CCl बोथ आर नॉन पोलर है. बिटवीन द टू नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन, सॉरी ask dipole interaction. One second. Dipole interaction. इसमें dipole interaction है. अच्छा देखो dipole interaction ये Cl माइनस के साथ है, ये Cl माइनस होता है, आयन डाइपोल होता है, just like NaCl in water है. This is also polar molecule, that is also polar molecule है. Between the two polar molecule है, the type of bond is nothing but dipole interaction है. अच्छा induced dipole example third option. अच्छा एक dipole right? Induced dipole example is third option. But asked question is dipole interaction first option. Like NaCl is a polar molecule, like KCl is a polar molecule. What is a polar molecule? Between the two polar molecule the bond is existing nothing but dipole interactions only. Now देखो question number 171. For alkali metal, which one of the following trend is incorrect? For alkali metal, which of the following trend is incorrect? अच्छा hydration energy is inversely proportional to size of the cation only. Correct only na? Hydration energy is inversely proportional to size of the cation only. Small size of the cation is having more hydration energy. So first option correct only. Hydration energy, for your information, hydration energy Hydration energy inversely proportional to size of the cation, size of the cation, size of the cation, size of the cation. So first option correct only. Ionization energy top to bottom decreases, correct only. Second option correct only. Density, अच्छा डेंसिटी देखो लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम, ये एक्सेप्शन कैसे है डेंसिटी में? आर यू रिमेंबर? लिथियम लीस्ट है, देन पोटेशियम है, देन सोडियम है, देन रुबिडियम है. आई थिंक यू स्टडीड इन द 11th standard 1A group elements में. Unusual expansion of the volume, potassium density decreases only when compared to sodium. That is incorrect only. Incorrect only they are asking ना. अच्छा beware of incorrect and correct statements only. Now question number 172, calcium carbide on reaction with deuterium oxide. अच्छा very familiar example है, calcium carbide hydrolysis जरिए we get C2H2 है. अच्छा with deuterium oxide क्या बनेगा? C2D2 है, C2D2 है, acetylene है, deuteroacetylene है. Very important reaction conversion in organic chemistry, how to conversion of acetylene into benzene है, very important conversion. अच्छा next 173, pair for which electron addition in both the atoms are endothermic reaction. अच्छा both endothermic reaction, addition of electron is electron affinity. Electron affinity when first electron affinity endothermic reaction for noble gases for 15 group elements है, for noble gas 15 group elements है. क्या देखो third option में, third option, because off-field orbital completely field orbital gets extra stability. In order to add an electron we require energy only. So these are exceptional cases. First electron affinity is endothermic only in case of noble gas and in case of 15 group elements. Chalo. Which of the following molecule ions, all the bonds are not equal only. All the bonds are not equal only. Which of the following molecule? देख लीजिए. Which of the following molecule? अच्छा देखो ये क्या है, स्क्वायर प्लेनर ज्योमेट्री ना. अच्छा ये देखो 1 सेकेंड, now look, this is square planar geometry ना. sp3 d2 hybridization square planar है. square planar कैसा होता है आपको मालूम है, ये वाला square planar है. अच्छा 1 पे above the plane, another below the plane. अच्छा bf3 sp3 ना, sp3 hybridization है. अच्छा ये भी sp3 hybridization है, बट देखो 6 + 4 10/2 5 sp3d ना. Here all bond lengths are, all bonds are not equal in case of sf4 है. seesaw geometry है, this is a seesaw geometry है, which are not equal है. all bond lengths are not equal in case of sf4 only. अच्छा based on hybridization you have to find out, right? 175. correct order of stability of flow. अच्छा देखो according to MOT you have to write, according to MOT, just I am writing according to MOT I have to writing 14 electrons के लिए I can write MOT, molecular orbital electronic configuration I am writing for N2. अच्छा कैसा लिखना 14 electrons के लिए, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, अच्छा pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz, 14 electrons. अच्छा these are non bonding है, kk बोलते हैं, these are kk non bonding है. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कैसा कैलकुलेट करना है N2 के लिए? बॉन्ड ऑर्डर काउंट करो, बॉन्ड ऑर्डर काउंट करो. नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग है 2 4 6 8. नंबर ऑफ एंटी बॉन्डिंग है ओनली 2. अच्छा कितना होगा 6/2 3. अच्छा N2 के लिए बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 3 है. N2 plus you have to remove the electron, N2 plus you have to remove the electron from bonding orbital. N2 minus you can add an electron for anti bonding. अच्छा whenever number of electron anti bonding increases, stability decreases only. अच्छा देखो ये 2.5 भी हो सकता है, ये 2.5 है बॉन्ड ऑर्डर, ये भी 2.5 है बॉन्ड ऑर्डर। N2 2.5 बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है, N2 प्लस आल्सो 2.5 बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है, N2 माइनस आल्सो 2.5 बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है। अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज directly proportional to bond strength. Bond strength. So obviously N2 is a more. Now compared to N2 plus N2 minus, where more number of electron in anti-bonding orbital, which is less stable. N2 minus में again suppose one more electron I am going to add, I can add suppose star pi2 px1 में add करना, anti-bonding में add करना N2 minus में. That's why anti-bonding में more number of electron, molecule is unstable only. So correct option is correct order of stability of the species is N2 is greater than N2 plus greater than N2 minus 1. Next go for next. अच्छा incorrectly this is section B बोला, actually section B start 186 है, again is section A only. Because Solvay process cannot be used to prepare. Solvay process is used to prepare only Na2CO3. Cannot be used for sodium bicarbonate, cannot be used for potassium bicarbonate. Solvay process cannot be used to prepare sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. It is used only for preparation of Na2CO3 only. The best, so many times asked in the examination, this is used only preparation of only Na2CO3, not useful for preparation of K2CO3. Means both 1 and 2 are correct only here. Now, which of the following species does not exist only? अच्छा कार्बन मैक्सिमम कोवेलेंसी 4 only. कार्बन का कोवेलेंसी आप देखो, इसमें कार्बन का कोवेलेंसी दिया 6 दिया, which is incorrect. कार्बन का कोवेलेंसी दिया 6 है, which is incorrect one. Like then Ne2 is, I think all are possible. Sorry, you can check the all options. You can check all options. Here all are correct only, na? All are not possible. Does not exist. Like Ne2, helium do not exist. SF6 is possible, SH6 is not possible only. Carbon covalency maximum 4 है, 6 is not possible. Which of the following species does not exist? Means all are correct only. अच्छा, now come to the organic chemistry here. Organic chemistry. Consider most stable free radical among the following. अच्छा देखो ये टेरिशियरी है, ये वाला टेरिशियर है, ये वाला एलाइल है, ये वाला बेंजाइल है. Generally benzyl is having more stable. Benzyl this secondary carbocation. Benzyl is a more stable free radical only when compared to tertiary and ethyl. अच्छा इसमें only conjugation है, इसमें only explained by heteroconjugation and inductive effect, but this explained by resonance also. So which is the most stable free radical है benzyl carbocation. Carbocation and free radical also. Now 179. Among the following compound, which is the least reactive towards SN2 reaction? SN2 reaction. अच्छा देखो one thing we can discuss है, विनाइल के लिए whether vinyl or phenyl, neither SN1 nor SN2. अच्छा vinyl is given now. Vinyl and phenyl neither SN1 nor SN2. अच्छा least means vinyl only. अच्छा ये प्राइमरी होगा, ये बेंजाइल होगा, ये एलाइल होगा. अच्छा लीस्ट क्या है? विनाइल है, ये विनाइल है. विनाइल एंड विनाइल के लिए neither SN1 nor SN2. Very simple one. Anti-aromatic species they are asking. देखो anti-aromatic species they are asking. Anti-aromatic means conjugation होना चाहिए, 4 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए, 4n pi इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अच्छा देखो ये aromatic होता है, anti-aromatic होता है ना, ये anti-aromatic है because 4 pi electrons only conjugation is possible. अच्छा एक 6 pi electron is this is aromatic है, this is aromatic है, this is anti-aromatic है. This is also 2 pi electrons है, 2 pi electron is aromatic only. अच्छा this is non-aromatic है, This is non-aromatic. The question asks which are following anti-aromatic species among the following. This is anti-aromatic among the following. Next. Next question number 181 ये देख लीजिए. अच्छा, whenever this is given hydroboration में anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule में major compound is alcohol है. Which alcohol? Primary alcohol. Markovnikov rule में secondary tertiary है, but anti-Markovnikov rule में primary alcohol है. मतलब compound A is a CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Compound A, this is compound A, this one. Compound A is this one. अच्छा, it is a functional isomer of ethyl methyl ether, correct है ना? अच्छा, ethyl methyl ether अंडा. अच्छा, correct है ना? See the molecular formula, same molecular formula, but function groups are different only. It reacts with sodium, yes. Alcohol reacts with sodium, no doubt. It gives a yellow PPT with NaOH. No. Among the primary alcohol, only ethyl alcohol gives a iodoform test. It should not give the iodoform test. Incorrect statement. Should not give the iodoform test. No iodoform test. So among the primary alcohol, only ethyl alcohol gives iodoform test. It gives a blood red color with vectors may test correct. Primary alcohol gives blood red color. Secondary gives blue color. Tertiary gives no color. So which is third option is given is incorrect. Right? So 182. The IUPAC name of the complex CO EN taken twice Cl2Cl. अच्छा देखो यहाँ already ligands are having prefixes name में, then you can use bis only. Bis di के लिए bis है, tri के लिए tris है, etc. You can use it. अच्छा, alphabetical order लो chlorine will come first కాబట్టి dichlorido will come first. Dichlorido, bis, ethane 1,2 diamine, cobalt 3 chloride. अच्छा, which is correct option? Dichlorido, अच्छा bis, dichlorido, bis, ethane, cobalt 3 chloride, ethane 1,2 diamine, dichlorido, bis, ethane, dichlorido देखो dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 chloride. Dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3. I think second option, third option given same only. Dichlorido. अच्छा, second option, third option given same, actually same only given, but anyone you can pick the answer. Cobalt 3 chloride. Cobalt. अच्छा, cobalt is which is incorrect only. Sorry. Cobalt only. Should not add AT. Cobalt 8 is incorrect one. Cobalt 3 chloride only correct. So 186 second option only correct one. 183. अच्छा, calamine is nothing but I think it is very metallurgy में very simple है. Calamine is nothing but zinc carbonate है. अच्छा, hematite we know that, magnetite, hematite we know that, hematite and magnetite oxide हो रहा है. Corundum is Al2O3 oxide हो रहा है. Zinc से ZnO is oxide हो रहा है. अच्छा, only bicarbonate ore is given, calamine only. अच्छा, which among the following is not oxide वो they asked है. Hematite is oxide हो रहा है, iron oxide है, corundum aluminum oxide है, zinc oxide. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 186 184 है. अच्छा, कन्वर्शन देखो, व्हाट इज कन्वर्शन, ये क्या है? कन्वर्शन ये इज नथिंग बट बेंजीन है. फिडेल-काप्स एसिलेशन रिएक्शन है. फिडेल-काप्स एसिलेशन रिएक्शन में क्या होता है? COCH3 H2 फिनोन है. अच्छा, जिंक एमालगम कहां से HCl है, क्लेमेसन रिडक्शन है. क्लेमेसन रिडक्शन में क्या होता है? C+1 वो कन्वर्टेड इनटू CH2, नथिंग बट इथाइल बेंजीन होता है. अच्छा, एक FC रिएक्शन है, फिडेल-काप्स रिएक्शन है, एसिलेशन रिएक्शन है. इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन H+CO रिप्लेस होता है, H2 फिनोन है. देन क्लेमेसन रिडक्शन में C+1 कन्वर्टेड इनटू CH2. अच्छा, इथाइल बेंजीन है, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. इथाइल बेंजीन है. 184. अच्छा, 185. The most suitable solvent for SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction के लिए aprotic solvents are most suitable. Aprotic solvents are most suitable. अच्छा, which are aprotic solvents है? अच्छा, acetone is aprotic solvent है. Acetone is aprotic solvent है. अच्छा, methyl alcohol and water is aprotic solvents only. These are aprotic solvents only. We should not give the proton is aprotic solvent है. Like benzene is a non-polar solvent है. Aprotic solvents are favored when compared to the protic solvent favor SN1 mechanism. Aprotic solvent favor SN2 mechanism. Now 186 है. अच्छा, 186 दो. 186 है. Work done isothermal expansion of 2 liters of an ideal gas at 20 atm. अच्छा, whenever a vacuum is given ना, देखो, I think logical question only they asked ना, whenever vacuum is given ना, vacuum में P external 0 होता है. Whenever vacuum में P external is equal to 0. अच्छा, work maximum का क्या है? Work maximum is equal to P external into delta V. अच्छा, 0 into whatever may be delta V, which is equal to 0. No need to go for problems. Simple funda. अच्छा, most of the students are not reading the sentence clearly. They go for numerical only. अच्छा, they are giving what estimable expansion है. Okay, they go for expansion. Simple thing is only. अच्छा, in H2O2 fuel cell, the electrolyte used is either NaOH or KOH. Direct theory question है. Hydrogen H2O2 fuel cell में electrolyte is base है. Either NaOH or KOH is electrolyte है. So that means option 3 is correct only. देखो, monomer. Now question number 166 से ध्यान दे, because this year new changed pattern of NEET examination. Last 15 question में you have to select only 10 है. Don't go for each and every question on paper explanation. That's why I am going for all questions only. But you must be careful. You can ensure yourself. You can pick only 10 question out of 15 question. Time factor also very important. Read carefully. You strike once one reading you can strike it. Then go for it. Otherwise you can leave it. Go for next question only. चलो, monomer of nylon 6 is caprolactam है. Right question है. Monomer of nylon is caprolactam है. अच्छा, caprolactam है. Caprolic acid caprolactam होता है. मोनोमर नाइलॉन 6 में hexamethylene diamine NPK acid है, but nylon 6 में caprolactam is a monomer of nylon 6 only. That theory question है. 189 most acidic compound among the following. Most acidic among the following. अच्छा, देखो, for our kind of information, minus I increases, acidic nature also increases. देखो, यहाँ 2 minus I, 2 chlorine atoms है, Cl 2 chlorine atoms है. ये 2 minus effect is more. Of course, only one Cl is given, definitely NO2 is the correct option. Only one Cl is given, definitely NO2 is the correct option, because NO2 is a more minus when compared to Cl. But 2 Cl is given है, my option, our option, nothing but fourth option only. So because minus effect increase the stability of the anion, that's why stability of anion increases, acidic character also increases only. So this is a more acidic character. अच्छा, जो only one chlorine is given, my answer is NO2 only. Your answer is NO2 only. चलो 189, 190 देखो. What is 190? Question number 190. Consider the following reaction sequence है. अच्छा, देखो, ये क्या है? CH3 COO NH4 followed by delta भी दिया. Then compound A, shall I write compound A? This is not compound A. अच्छा, देखो, यहाँ first CH3 COO NH4 followed by delta भी दिया, then CH3 CO NH2. अच्छा, Hofmann degradation reaction, Hofmann bromide reaction, NaOH. They can ask NaOH Br2 or NaOBr. Hofmann degradation reaction means amines are found 1 carbon less है. Amines are found 1 carbon less है. Actually इसमें क्या है? Diazonium salts हैं. When in case of aliphatic amines है, we get alcohol. Aromatic amines we get diazoniums also only. So answer is fourth option. Followed by hydrolysis karo, followed by HNO2, like HON ऐसा करो, HONO. HON. Then क्या लिखो, CH3OH है, N2 plus H2, N2 plus H2. Next question number 191. Which of the following compound does not give positive test for both Tollens reagent and failing solution? अच्छा, which of the following compound does not give the positive test? Tollens test and failing solution. Which of the following? अच्छा, ethanol gives both. Which of the following compound does not give the positive test for Tollens reagent? अच्छा, ethanol देखो, ethanol है, yes, it gives both Tollens test and failing solution. It gives. अच्छा, glucose also gives. Reduction sugar बोलते हैं ना glucose. Formic acid also gives, but benzaldehyde में it respond Tollens reagent but not failing solution. Aromatic aldehydes not respond failing solution. For information, aromatic aldehydes not respond in failing solution. Aromatic aldehydes not respond in failing solution, but it can respond Tollens reagent but not failing solution. But they asked both Tollens as well as failing solution only. That's why incorrect. Now 160, 192 में देखो. Which of the following amine cannot be prepared by Gabriel-Thalamy synthesis? अच्छा, Gabriel-Thalamy synthesis preparation of only primary amine, that too aliphatic, not aromatic. अच्छा, aromatic. अच्छा, answer is very simple. Aromatic amines के लिए नहीं है. Aromatic amines के नहीं होता है. This is one of the special cases. Special है. Means selective है. Preparation of only primary aliphatic amines and not primary aromatic amines के लिए. Right? Next question number 193 देखो. Question number 193. Question number 193 देखो. Question number 193. अच्छा, volume of water added to 250 ml of 0.5 molar aqueous solution of NaOH to make it 0.2 molar. अच्छा, whenever water added is nothing but dilution law. अच्छा, dilution law का, अच्छा dilution law क्या है? Dilution law क्या है? M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 ना dilution law. Dilution law. First we know how much of water added to 50 ml of, ये volume is 250 ml है. अच्छा, molarity is 0.5 molar है. Now what they did, 0.5 molar को 0.2 mol में convert किया. 0.2 mol में convert किया. For this conversion, first you have to find out how much volume is required. How much volume is required only. अच्छा, चलो V2 is equal to 25 into 5. Sorry, 25 into 5 upon 0.2. Calculate करो कितना है. अच्छा, ये 125 by 2 by 10. Nothing but 1250 by 2. Calculate करो 625. अच्छा, 625 ml is water, but they ask the question how much volume of water is added on. अच्छा, initially 250 ml is there, now it becomes 625. अच्छा, how much water is added? 5, 7, 375 ml is added. अच्छा, question है, whenever volume of water added nothing but dilution law. Dilution law में calculate करो volume of, what is the volume, final volume, in order to make it 0.2 molar. Final volume is 625. But out of 625 to 50 ml already initially there. That means how much of water you should be added in order to get 0.2 molar solution, 375 ml. Right? Then, अच्छा 194. This is a neutral medium ना. Neutral medium ना. This is a neutral medium ना. अच्छा, neutral medium में क्या है? This is nothing but base reagent है. क्या गया? अच्छा MnO न्यूट्रल मीडियम में यहां दिया MnO4 माइनस चेंजेस इनटू MnO2 कैसा? अच्छा +7 changes into +4. अच्छा how many electrons are gained? 3 electrons are gained. So equivalent weight is equal to m/3 होना चाहिए. m/3 होना चाहिए. Question number 194 m/3. अच्छा theoretical question है equinel. ये tranquilizers ना. Tranquilizers का मतलब this is only second. This is only ना correct answer. Tranquilizers. Neurosis and psychosis, controlling depression and hypertension only. Because equinel is example for tranquilizers only. Tranquilizers only. Hypnotics and sedatives and tranquilizers and so tranquilizers only one statement is correct. Remaining all are incorrect only for tranquilizers. So easily we pick the answer only. 195. Next 196 देखो. Question number 196 है. यहाँ देखो. Osmotic pressure के लिए question number 196 है. Osmotic pressure pi is equal to ICST ना. Pi is equal to ICST ना. For in case of K2SO4, K2SO4 I value कितना है? K2SO4 I value 2 potassium oxalate. Total number. If suppose percentage of dissociation is not given, you take 100% dissociation. 100% dissociation में N is equal to I होता है. So which is equal to 3. अच्छा concentration N/V ना. N is given how much? 0.1 mole है. अच्छा वॉल्यूम इज गिवन कितना है? 0.081. अच्छा एस इज नथिंग बट सॉल्यूशन कांस्टेंट, नथिंग बट गैस कांस्टेंट है. गैस कांस्टेंट को हमने कैसे लिखा? 0.081. अच्छा टेंपरेचर कितना है? टेंपरेचर 27 कन्वर्ट इनटू केल्विन है 300 केल्विन. अच्छा कितना होता है? कैलकुलेट करो 980 व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 980. राइट. ये 0.3 हो गया. सपोज देखो अच्छा ये 10 पावर -1 हो गया. यहाँ 10 पावर -1 हो गया या 3 इंटू 10 पावर -2, 3 इंटू 10 पावर -2 which is equal to 980. अच्छा 197 देखो. When initial concentration of the reactant is doubled in a reaction, the half life period is also doubled. The order of reactions. अच्छा order of reaction very simple है. half life period and order of reaction के लिए very simple फंडा, simple relation है. T of 1/A (n - 1) है. Very simple फंडा है. Suppose I can go for T of by T dash of is equal to A2/A1 whole power n - 1. Shall I go for this? According this only. According this only. अच्छा what given when initial concentration of reactant is doubled. अच्छा initial concentration मन की देखो suppose. अच्छा initial concentration ఏమనుకున్నానంటే A అనుకుంటే డబుల్ చేస్తే 2A అవుతుంది. 2A/A whole power n - 1 అనుకున్నాను. 2A/A n power -1 అనుకున్నాను. अच्छा ఇప్పుడు చూడండి half life period also doubled అనుకున్నాను. half life period also doubled. ఇది x అయితే ఇది 2x అయింది. x అయితే 2x అయింది. x/2x. ఇది x అయితే డబుల్ అనుకున్నాం 2x అయింది. which is equal to 2 power n - 1 అనుకున్నాం. 2 power n - 1 అనుకున్నాం. which is equal to 2 power n - 1 అనుకున్నాం. चलो I am writing over here. चलो నేను x/1/x అంటే 1/2 అనుకున్నాను. x/2x అంటే 1/2 అనుకున్నాను. 1/2 is equal to 2 power n - 1 అనుకున్నాను. अच्छा 2 power -1 is equal to 2 power n - 1 అను. मतलब ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? -1 is equal to n - 1 అనుకున్నాను. n is equal to 0. ఏ ఆర్డర్ అవుతుంది? 0 ఆర్డర్ అవుతుంది. 0 ఆర్డర్ అవుతుంది. अच्छा బేసిక్ గా చెప్పొచ్చు ఇనిషియల్ కాన్సంట్రేషన్ పెరిగినా హాఫ్ లైఫ్ పెరిగిందంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ కదా. అకార్డింగ్ టు జీరో ఆర్డర్ రియాక్షన్ T of E directly proportional to A కదా. ఎలానే చెప్పొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా. న్యూమరికల్ చేయాలంటే ఇలా చేసుకోవచ్చు న్యూమరికల్. వెరీ సింపుల్. 198 the wave number of the shortest wavelength transition in Lyman series of the atomic hydrogen. अच्छा you know longest wavelength is for first line है. shortest wavelength for limiting line. Any series है, not only Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, any series है, shortest wavelength is limiting line. Shortest wavelength limiting line. अच्छा Lyman series में limiting line का मतलब n1 is equal to 1 है, n2 is equal to infinity. अच्छा wave number they are asking wave number है, wave number nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to z into z square into r into z square into r 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is formula is there ना. अच्छा देखो हाइड्रोजन के लिए z is equal to 1 का बट there is no not an issue. अच्छा nu bar is equal to r into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity is 0. कितना हो गया? Nu bar is equal to r हो गया. Means r only correct. Wave number they are asking. They are not asking wave length, wave number of the shortest wavelength is nothing but limiting line is only shortest wavelength. So R is the correct option. Next 199. 199. Neutral oxide among the following is. Acha CO is a neutral oxide, na? Very simple. Acidic oxide SiO2, non-metal oxide acetic है, AS2O3 यहाँ पर रखा है, because metal halide oxide is यहाँ पर रखा है. अच्छा carbon monoxide is a neutral है, NO is a neutral है, N2O is a neutral. अच्छा least soluble, I already said in this paper only, particularly 2A group elements है, except oxides, hydroxide, remaining any large size of the anions are given, solubility top to bottom decreases. अच्छा least soluble means barium. Top to bottom solubility decreases only. Solubility decreases. Top to bottom solubility decreases. Solubility decreases. And this is the first model paper we are providing you. Like every week, 1 or 2 model paper we are providing to you. Solve it because paper seems to be very easy now. This year, NEET expected paper also seems to be very easy. But practice only required. In order to increase our speed and accuracy, more practice is required. Because we are confusing whenever incorrect and correct statements are given, which are the false and true is given, correct matching, incorrect matching is given. You take care. When you overcome this problem, you practice more number of model papers. Thank you very much.